Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. The asset store is full of awesome tools and assets to help you make your own games. There's more and more awesome stuff coming out every month, so in this video let's check out some of the highlights for November 2021. Even if you don't pick up any of these, it's still great to look at them and see if they inspire you to build something. Just watching some of these assets is enough to fire up my imagination. I can immediately picture all kinds of games I could build with these. This one is the list of paid assets and effects. I've already made 2 videos covering the best free new assets and the best tools and systems. Go watch those if you haven't seen them. As always, there's links to the assets in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon CodeMonkey10 to get 10% off your order. By the way, you're not crazy, we are indeed already in December, but this is still November's video. Because of Black Friday I had to change some videos around, so this one is slightly delayed. Alright, so starting off with a fun, unique one called Paperman. The most difficult part of game development nowadays is standing out, so with these very interesting models it would definitely help. You can use the basic flat-colored Paperman, and the pack also includes 5 more skins: policeman, cook, doctor, businessman, and thief. They have humanoid rigs, so you can easily combine them with any humanoid animations. Then if you need a complete city, check out this one. It's a modern setting at night, lots of nice neon lights and some really satisfying rain. Plenty of roads to drive around, both in the city as well as on the outskirts. You could just add some simple moving people and a bunch of cars and it would look great. This is the kind of thing that is perfect just to load up this exact demo scene and very quickly get an open world prototype up and running. And next up, Halloween was last month, but if you're in the mood for something spooky, here's a Grim Temple. Very creepy looking statues and environments, and it even has what seems to be some made up language to make it even more spooky. These are very high-end models with some high-quality textures. And up next, here's a really nice mechabot. It's a stylized mesh and texture. Looks like it would be perfect for some sort of character-driven game, something like Ratchet & Clank. It includes a model with its great design, a bunch of variations, and it even includes tons of animations. So you could use this either as the enemy or maybe even as your main player. Then for some VFX, here's a bunch of orbs, all of them with great visuals. I love the ice one. There's some electricity, some fire, dark matter, plants, and so on. In total, 15 unique orb effects with 3 color variations each, and the whole pack is pretty cheap. Then if you're looking for a realistic, very calm looking meadow, check out this one. Lots of vegetation, grass, and flowers. It makes for some really good looking, very calm looking scenes. So if you're working on a realistic game and you need some grass to populate your environments, then check this out. Or maybe you need some UI art, then look at this one. Massive amount of icons and objects, everything in a really nice pixel art style. Features pretty much every element you could possibly want. And if you need tons of weapons, check out this bundle. Features over 100 unique weapons, everything from axes, bows, hammers, shields, and swords. This is a bundle containing all of the weapons from multiple packs. So if you want, you could get each of those packs individually, but the bundle itself also has a nice bonus discount, so if you want tons of weapons, then this one is great. And perhaps you can combine those weapons with this next one. Here's an ancient ruins environment. It's got a nice cartoony art style, lots of modular pieces for you to build just about anything, and it also includes some nature objects like some trees and bushes. I could see this one being perfect for a game kind of like Tomb Raider or Uncharted. Then for something realistic, here's a bunch of medieval NPCs. Includes 5 human characters, all with a bunch of skin color variations. They have humanoid rigs, so you can use them with any animations. Or maybe you're working on some type of game that has tons of resources. Here's a mining pack. Lots of rocks, ingots, and gems. They feature a nice shader with some customizable colors. I could see this one being great for making resources for an RTS game. Then here's a really cute tiny dragon. Lots of variations and tons of animations. And this developer also has tons more assets in this exact same style, so if you like it, then check those out. If you want something a bit more realistic, here's an abandoned factory. Very high quality models and textures, the demo scene looks excellent. Lots of separate objects including modular building walls. So this could be a great map for a realistic first-person shooter or maybe even some sort of adventure game. Then back to something more cute, here's a bunch of robots. One very unique thing about this pack is how each robot has multiple evolution levels. I can see that being used to make a great mechanic come to life. All of them also include lots of animations, really nice. Then for something more calm, here's a campsite. Lots of particles and objects, really cozy atmosphere. Looks great at night, but also at dusk. Works on both standard and URP. If you have a 2D side-scrolling game, check out these cyborgs. All built with separate body parts for easy animation. create and customize your characters, recolor just about anything and get endless variation. Save and load your characters and change things in runtime. Next up, if you need another environment, here's a canyon. Lots of rocks, mountains, and a handful of grass, works in all render pipelines. Or maybe if you already have an environment but you want some clouds, check out this pack. It helps you make fully dynamic, realistic clouds that change over time without repeating. They also get lit by the sun or the moon with no noticeable impact on performance. For something more unique, here's some gift boxes, pretty simple. So Christmas is coming up soon, so if you're planning some themed games, then maybe this pack could be useful. And finally, if you need a ton of sci-fi icons, check out this pack. Features 400 icons, lots of characters, resources, objects, skills, and so on. Very useful if you're working on some kind of sci-fi game. Alright, so those are my top 20 new assets on the Unity Asset Store for November 2021. There's links to all in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon code monkey10 to get 10% off your order. Check out the full playlist to see some more lists with free and paid assets, and let me know if you pick up any of these and what you intend to do with them. Also check out my own free and paid assets on the store. Alright, hope that's useful. Check out these videos to learn some more. Thanks to these awesome Patreon supporters for making these videos possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.